Shifa Zaika. Today I am going to make grilled idli sandwich. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are half kg idli batter, 2 tablespoons boiled and crushed corn, 2 tablespoons finely chopped yellow bell pepper, 2 tablespoons finely chopped red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 50 grams of grated cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh coriander, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon green chutney, 1 tablespoon garlic chutney, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 2 tablespoons oil. First put salt in idli batter and mix well. Now grease one plate and pour 2 big spoons of idli batter. Now sprinkle black pepper powder and red chili powder over it and put it in a steamer and steam it for 8 to 10 minutes. Now remove it and keep it to cool down. Now scrape it with the help of a knife and give a round shape with the mold. Prepare all the idlis the same way. Now in a bowl, put corn, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, cottage cheese, coriander leaves, green chilies, chaat masala, salt and mix well and prepare stuffing. Now spread green chutney on one idli and garlic chutney on the other idli. Now put prepared stuffing over it and cover it with the other idli. Prepare all the idli sandwiches the same way. All the sandwiches are ready to grill. Now in a grill pan, put oil. Once the oil is heated up, put mustard seeds, sesame seeds. Now put prepared sandwich on it and grill it until golden brown on one side. Now change the side and grill the same way. This idli sandwich is ready. Prepare all the sandwiches the same way. Healthy and tasty idli sandwiches are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.